Division managed to apprehend or to intercept another 179 victims who are being trafficked. Now this time the destination was Kenya. We have seen so many Ugandans these days being taken to Kenya for casual labor. Now the 79 were being trafficked by one Nasuna Harriet, who is a 38-year-old resident of Wakiso. And Nasuna, of course, did not work alone. Like I've always told you that this is always a network. And in her network, she has always worked with one William Mugenyi, a resident of Nakaseke. But again, it does not stop there. This goes beyond the boundary. And in Kenya, they've worked with one identified as Caro of Hambo Company called Hambo in Kenya. And all the victims were going to end up in the hands of Caro, who it is said that was to look for jobs for them. However, we know very well that most of our Ugandans who end up there are exploited in many ways, and the girls especially are sexually abused, especially when they reach the extent of survival. No jobs, and now they need to survive, and they are taken advantage of. On Sunday, recently, you saw in the New Vision how the buses that head to Kenya keep picking on victims along the way. And this, still, we call upon Ugandans not to get duped into jobs in Kenya which are not existing. And unfortunately, many of our victims are being trafficked by their own parents, their own guardians, who it is said they source for jobs for them across in Kenya, but only to find that the jobs don't exist. And this does not exonerate even the minors, because there are so many girls who are below age of 18, which culminates into aggravated human trafficking. So, fellow Ugandans, let's desist from this habit. Let's pay attention to whoever comes to you seeking to find you a job, seeking to find you employment or other opportunities. Many are perpetrators, and once they get the money, they will forget about you. They're only going to exploit you, and you cannot know where our young girls will end up. Some could easily end up dead.